Did you hear about the shocking $600 bank reporting rule that is part of President Biden's American Family Act? It's turning the banking world upside down. This outrageous proposal includes a new reporting rule for American bank accounts with just $600 or more. The claim is that this will help the IRS root out the biggest tax evaders and force them to pay. I'm not buying that. First, they say that they are not going to tax anyone making $400,000 or less a penny more. Then the administration wants to know any account with just $600 or more in it. Let's call it what it is. This is an effort by the administration to find ways to pay for the worrisome big spending programs. The Internal Revenue Service Commissioner testified that the proposed reporting regime would require banks and other financial institutions to report gross inflows and outflows with a breakdown for physical cash, transactions with the foreign account, and transfers to and from another account with the same owner. The reason why you should be concerned about this proposal is because it gives government excessive access to your private information about your deposits and your withdrawals. That is just one reason why the American Banking Association is strongly opposed to this measure, as you can see from this letter to Congress. In a recent statement on their website, the ICBA CEO and president explained, it would also push more people away from banking relationships and overload the IRS with more data than it can possibly process or keep safe. Banks will have to do a huge amount of extra work, which means additional personnel. The IRS has already ramped up their personnel. All of this means extra expenses, which usually trickles down to you and me. If they get this done, at $600, the squeeze may not be worth the juice. It was reported that James Ballantyne said, "You're taking millions and millions of accounts of everyday American taxpayers and small businesses. It's almost as if they're trying to create a haystack in order to find the needle." This smells like Big Brother coming after all of us to fund big spending programs. I'm going to keep my eye on this because you have to wonder, what are they going to go after next? Retirement accounts? There's more reason today than ever to learn about gold and silver. Go to the link in the description so you can access all our free guides to learn more.
Hi, I'm Laurent De Winter, Senior Success Agent at Augusta Precious Metals. As I know, a lot of you are wondering, how do I get started putting gold and silver inside my IRA? The process is very easy, which means you are only 3 simple steps away from securing your financial future. Step 1 is to open a new IRA with a custodian that allows you to hold physical gold and silver. The custodian will act as a record keeper to keep you compliant with the IRS. Step 2 is to move funds from your current custodian into your new self-directed IRA. The transfer is a tax-free and penalty-free event. Both of these 2 steps are done with standard paperwork, similar to what you would find at any banking or financial firm. After you set up your account and your funds have transferred, the 3rd step is to place your trade for gold and silver. Which of the products you would like, is completely up to you. Once you approve of the portfolio, you confirm your trade and lock in your prices. Your metals are delivered shortly thereafter. If you're interested in opening a new Gold IRA and protecting your retirement savings, our agents will guide you through the process and do all the heavy lifting for you.